To use filters in the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will have to click on this icon. Now we are looking for this icon and you have to tap on it and take a look. First of all, we got the original filter, but when you go, for example, for this one, we can already see some changes. And if you want to make some comparison, you have to click to view original, and now you can see how the colors and the brightness looks. If you want to adjust the current filter, you have to click on it one more time. And here you can change its strength, color temperature, contrast, saturation, and film grain. You can also create the filter from your pictures, or by going into the right side, you can download them. So here you can find access into all available filters. You can just tap on it, wait until it will be downloaded, and now you can find it just over here